year has been different for all of us, and many people around the world have been cooking and baking more. Today, I'm here with my daughter,
Elena.
and we're going to teach you some baking vocabulary, making.
Brazilian carrot cake.
Yes, we're going to make a Brazilian carrot cake. And with the holidays coming up, this could be a wonderful experience for you to spend time with your kids, with your family members, and learn some English and also enjoy a delicious cake. So let's get started?
Yes.
So the first thing we do is we wash and peel the carrots. And then we're going to chop the carrots into small pieces. If you're cooking with kids, it's always good to supervise them when they're using a knife. And then cook the carrots until they are soft. Once they are soft, drain them and let them cool. While the carrots are cooling, mix the flour, the baking powder, and the sugar together. When the carrots are cool, add them 4 eggs and vegetable oil to the blender. Blend them together until they make a nice, smooth orange liquid. Pour this liquid over the flour mixture and stir very well until everything is mixed. Then pour this mixture into a greased cake tin. Spread it out evenly. Put it in the oven for around 40 minutes at medium temperature, around 200 degrees Celsius. And take it out of the oven when you stick a knife in it and it comes out clean. And let it cool before you eat it. Now that our cake is ready and cool, we're going to eat it. And here in Brazil, we put a special chocolate sauce that's called brigadeiro. Do you like brigadeiro, Elena?
Yes.
Yes? Can you put it over the cake, please? She's going to pour the chocolate sauce over the cake. And before we eat it, let's take a quiz on the actions we learned today on baking. So, how did you do in the quiz? Did you get them all right? Very good. Now it's time to take your knowledge to the kitchen. If you like this video, you could give it a big thumbs up, and you can also check out the recipe for this carrot cake in the description of the video below. And don't forget to tell me in the comment section, what did you cook during this quarantine, or if you made the cake, the carrot cake, and if it worked out. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a wonderful holiday season. We'll see you soon. Bye!